Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're unboxing the Circus series. I got this for free from Mart. I'm hoping for little frogs cute, or little secret would be cool too, or the bear. Bear's cool too. Let's see what we got. A little difficult with one hand, but here we go. Oops, destroying the box. Silica gel. Let's see. There we go. And we got a stand. Okay. Oh, we got the rabbit. Nice. Got this one, the rose coney. Actually, no, we got the bunny coney. That's one we got. And then, yeah. This one we got, little and friends Pop Mart bunny coney. Alright, thank you.